Alright, this is the day 2 handout, problem 3. Welcome to the world's worst party. The town of Centerville, population 16, has two types of residents, homebodies and revelers. Using the accompanied table, the town must decide how much to spend on its New Year Eve party. No individual resident expects to directly bear the cost of the party. Alright, so part A. So you have this chart here that explains how much each person is willing to spend on the party. How much they would enjoy, individual marginal benefit of the additional dollar spent on the party. Alright, so there are 10 homebodies and 6 revelers. Determine the marginal social benefit schedule of money spent on the party. What is the efficient level of spending? To do that, all you're doing is trying to calculate out that you have how many homebodies? You have 10 homebodies, and each homebody gets 5 cents of benefit for the first dollar spent. And each reveler, there are 6 of them, gets 13 cents. So essentially you're just doing some multiplication to solve it, to calculate it. What is the efficient level of spending? Well, of course, they're spending $1, and then they're spending $1 for that first round, and then $2, $3, and $4. And you want to make sure that the benefit is higher than the cost. And then you're doing the exact same thing for part B, except they just changed the question. They're saying there are 6 homebodies and 10 revelers. Again, you just have to calculate it out. If there's only 6 homebodies, it's 6 times 5 cents, and then 10 revelers times 13 cents. And so it's just a math problem. Calculate it out. Alright, good luck. If you have any other questions, ask.